Today we're going to be working with the Spring Blocks tissue paper, the floral side, and these little bunny cutouts. There's about 8 in here. I got them from Hobby Lobby, and then they have the little cotton ball. They have 2 different types of bunnies, one with the lopped ear and one with the straight, and I'm going to start by adding my 1-hour enamel clear with an art brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit them on parchment paper and lay the tissue paper over top of them using my saran wrap and my brayer. Now you can cut these into small pieces and lay the paper on top of your bunny. I'm just doing it this way. I don't even know why. So it's really up to you. There's no right or wrong. So I'm just again adding the 1-hour enamel clear, slipping it under the tissue, and I'm doing each bunny in this fashion. I do have parchment paper underneath for the glue. And I'm going through with the saran wrap and the brayer. You can get these brayers at chalkitupfancy.com. You can get the Spring Blocks tissue paper at chalkitupfancy.com. And this is what that looks like. And I'm putting it aside to dry. Once dry, I'm just going to cut each one out. I'm trying to get as close to the bunny as possible with the tissue, cutting off the tissue, the excess tissue, I'm sorry. And this is just going to make it easier for me when I start sanding. And I'm going to do this with each little cutout. Once all my excess paper is removed, I'm going to grab some sandpaper. I like to use about a 60 or 80 grit. The thing is it's kind of like filing your nails. You only want to go in one direction, down, away from the bunny. If you try to go up, you could pull the paper and tear it. We don't want to do that. So you want to kind of go in a downward motion away from the cutout. I hope that makes sense. And I did this with each bunny, and it really does give you a nice, clean look. I had a couple pieces of the paper that didn't lay down. So I'm going to go and I'm going to give a second coat of the 1-hour enamel on all my bunnies. The extra protection doesn't hurt. Once everything was dry, I took some jute and tied it around each cutout's neck. You could use any color bow. You could put ribbon. And then I'm gluing the little cotton ball that came in the package. Now, I found these little aluminum or galvanized napkin rings. And I have some magnets that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue a magnet to the back of each cutout. What I liked about this concept is I can use other cutouts from other holidays and interchange them out. Without making it a permanent fixed. And there you go. I can put the put the bunny on the galvanized napkin ring. And now I have a nice set for my place setting for Easter. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.